Here's shredded. Here's my partner, Quesadilla.
Get our chicken out of the water. I've been thawing it all day. You're gonna have to cut this up, you know, because last time you were fucking so pathetic.
So why would I have to do it this time?
Because you need to redeem yourself, man.
No, not really.
It was so
Where's
sad.
your meat whacker?
I don't have a meat whacker. It's actually called my hand.
Dude! Why are you flattening the...
Dude, you gotta beat it.
You would know...
I don't have a meat hammer.
That chicken breast.
You would know about beating meat, bro.
Dude, look at this. I'm groping a breast right now. First, we're gonna add some salt. I have no measurements, because I just make this. Let's do some salt.
I think you said you have a recipe.
No, this is the recipe. I already got this out. I don't even have that opened. Look, Justin, help me out, man. You're kind of a key part of this, and you're not doing anything.
Alright, I'm going, bro. Oh, that's a lot.
Damn, what are you doing? You just ruined this chicken. You fucking schmuck. You're horned up and you're ruining the chicken. Garlic pepper. I'm gonna use this because it's the pepper I have and it's real good. Thanks. Shout out Riley behind the camera.
We have regular pepper, too.
This one's better with it though.
There's too much doggone pepper. Get all that pepper off there. No, man, you gotta get that pepper off there, man.
This is pretty good too.
That's
I
too
would
much
hope so.
doggone
We're putting
pepper.
on more.
I'm gonna beat this.
Justin has gained some confidence today. Alright, you want a lot of chili powder.
Did you touch her other lips?
God damn it.
No. I stayed at first base, homie.
Alright, next step.
First
chili.
base
Can I
is-
say my steps, please?
That is first
No,
base.
That's
first
second.
base is lips.
Next step, we're gonna sprinkle chili powder. We want a lot of chili powder on
You
there.
want a lot?
Now I know why my past relationships have failed.
First base.
I thought this was first base.
I just want to get to first base. You got it, hon.
Sprinkle some more.
Mm.
Really shake that. There you go.
Shake
That's good.
that.
That's good.
That's
Shake
too
that.
much.
No, it's not. It's real good. You want a lot of chili powder. All right. Let me spread it. Let me rub it in.
You want to rub that in.
Love touching the meat. Very, very simple. Now we're just gonna plop this in the air fryer for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? What am I supposed to eat before then?
Cue the Jeopardy sound effects. Dude.
Our chicken is done. Whoa! Alright, chicken is done. Looks pretty delicious. You might be able to see it, you might not. I don't care. It's not my problem.
Screw yourself. Yeah, respectfully.
Respectfully, I'm gone.
I'm God.
Got a spatula. Put it on the thing. Now you can really see it. Looks good. It is good. I'm
How
good.
many quesadillas can we make with that?
Actually, quite a bit. Look at me shred this.
Enough to feed your mom.
I'm gonna show
Whoa.
you. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to shred this, and I want you to do it because I don't think you're gonna be good at it, and I like that. I like to watch you fail sometimes.
That's right.
I'm gonna
Just
stand
pulling it. That's not shredding. That's just pulling
Just
it.
fucking wait. I'm gonna partially cut it because that wasn't working. This is the best knife we own.
And it came from Subway.
Did it really?
Yes.
You stole it from there?
Yeah.
They were throwing it away.
Allegedly.
They were throwing it away.
Allegedly. Do you guys know somebody who works at Subway?
Yeah, me.
Oh, you work at Subway?
I used to.
I did.
You really think you'd be working at Subway with that rape van out there?
He didn't.
I
notice
mean,
his video.
Jared was able to, so.
James, what are you doing? You want some macaroni?
We'll make this a 2-for-1 special.
How to make craft macaroni and cheese.
Actually,
Step 1, go fuck yourself. Step 2,
I'll
make
make-
it.
You got it, Justin. I believe in you.
Thank you. And fuck you.
It's a rare occasion. Oh god damn! I should not have believed in you. Look how good I am at this.
You are good at this.
You think I'm a professional cook? Guy Fieri who? Me. Flavor Town.
You're a virgin too?
50%.
virgin and proud, baby.
We never lose.
Alright, I'd probably go like low medium, yeah.
We're gonna line. We're just gonna put some cheese on our quesadilla.
Quesadilla,
How much cheese do you want?
You do like here. Do you mind?
No, not at all. Thank you. So nasty, grubby.
So to get a
That's a lot of. No.
Shh.
Are you gonna do
Do it.
a tortilla on top of another tortilla?
No.
just a lot of fucking cheese.
But dude, you do it elegantly. So you go to the edges too. That's the important.
See, I'm getting about you on the edges. Remember?
Oh yeah. I do.
Yeah. You get to the edges.
Edges.
The edges.
All right. We're gonna pop this down. What do you say? 2 minutes maybe?
It's so hot in here.
It's not that bad. Oh fuck. Okay.
Oh,
My bad, Cam.
Shut up,
What are you doing, dude? That's not a chop knife. That's a cut knife.
Can I not just do that?
You can't chop it. You gotta. What are you? You're the worst chef in the world. Ready? Dink it and chop
Sink
it.
it. That's copyrighted.
Yeah, for sure. Good mythical morning, man.
That's good.
That's really good.
Oh man, he's going down on him. Oh!
Fuck
I
my-
like how he pops his knees.
My knees pop too, man.
Happy.
I mean, you're old.
Just have a bite, man.
No, it's because I fucked my knees up skiing.
That's his now.
If she calls your pee-pee small, her mother you shall call.
Whoa! Justin, you're ruining it.
Whoa.
No, you're fucking.
That's staying
Remember, Napoleon, if you're hungry, just make yourself a dang quesadilla. Whoa!